All right, guys, this is Paul Singh, the market speculator with bullsonwallstreet.com. We've got the free weekly swing trade report for the week of July 25th. Remember, guys, this week there are going to be a ton of earnings coming out this week. Some of our focus list stocks, Twitter, which I just had to get out of because earnings are Tuesday, Facebook, FCX, X, and a bunch of other ones here. So should be a big week here. Now let's look at the indexes here. If we look at SPY, pulling this out here to 2015, we had an all-time high at 214, a number of attempts to break out here, and we finally did it. And not only have we broke to new highs, we've consolidated here without pulling back, without violating that 214 level, which was all-time high, or the 9 moving average, which is key here. We are a bit extended, but the positive here is we've consolidated for over a week. So this could be setting up for another move higher, especially if we get a really good week in earnings. So let's keep an eye on that. And then IWM, we're always looking to see if IWM can keep pace with SPY. That's healthy for the market because we get more of the small caps in here, and it gives us a good idea of how the broader based market is doing. And it's holding up well also, actually doubled what SPY did on Friday. So that's good. So everything's healthy there. If we look at gold here, we like the fact that gold is pulling back. There's the flight to safety during Brexit is over. We've pulled back here. So that's another good indication that we're setting up for another move higher. I put out a video in the blog a few days ago about BRIC, EWZ, and BRIC is the China, Brazil, India, and Russia countries here. EWZ has made a fantastic run. These guys are showing really strong relative strength compared to SPY here. So I'm looking at, for trade ideas, I'm looking here at BRZU, which is the triple leveraged ETF for Brazil. I always trade the triple leverage rather than the underlying here to get that extra volatility. So we're looking for either a breakout here or a pullback and hold for BRZU. Let's look at a few of my other positions here. Now, IBB is one of the sectors I like, biotech here. While it has been in a downtrend, love the relative strength post-Brexit. So the first time I've really looked to trade it for a while, and it is one of my current positions with LABU, the triple leverage small cap biotech. You can see here has done really well post-Brexit here. We entered here around 31 and we're up to 36 already. A really big gain here. I think it's about $2,000, but we're looking to double that for a move to the top of the range here around 40. I got out of Twitter last week. This was another relative strength stock. You're seeing a theme here. When I go long post sell-off, I look for the stocks that handled the pullback well or handled the sell-off well. Twitter did that. I would love to be still in it, but with earnings coming out on Tuesday, I don't want to gamble here. I've taken a more aggressive play in Twilio. It's holding the 9. Good risk reward here. And I want to see if we can get that next big push up to 50. I'm still in AMBA. It's been another one of these big winners here. We entered around 51, 52, got up to 58. In a range-bound market, I'd already be out for a nice 6-point gain. But with the idea here that we could break out this week, I'm going to play for the bigger move up to 60 to 62 here with AMBA. And then one of my laggers here, the final position here is ERX. This is essentially because of oil. So this is the one commodity here that hasn't really made a nice move because oil has been getting crushed. But I will say I like the fact that energy has held up pretty well considering what oil has done. So if it was going with oil, we'd expect it to be down here somewhere, and it's held up pretty good. And my stop's at 28, so I've got some room there with ERX. So that's what we're looking for in the market. Those are my current positions. Let me give you a couple of trade ideas. Now I've got a focus list here of about 15 to 20 stocks. Let's look at one low priced, low floater here, and that's ZAG. I really like specialty retail right now. It's one of the sectors that's popping up on my screens the past week or two. Has made a really nice run post-Brexit here. I want to see how it holds with 9. made a really nice candle here on Friday. If it can close up here around 7:15, I may look to enter with a target up here at the 200-day moving average. Now, I do have to look at when earnings is. If earnings are coming up, I probably would not take that. Another stock I like is GWPH. And that one here, I'm looking for a break of the highs here around 98. If it can consolidate, break the highs, we could get a break of 100 and another push higher, and we do have all-time highs at 130. So it looks like it could be setting up for a big move and a test of the all-time highs there. So that's it for the weekly swing report here. Now, if you want more, you can see here the daily swing trade report. We get a 5 to 10 minute video here setting up the next day. My focus list, a couple of focus lists. We're going over earnings breakouts also, my current positions, and you get trade alerts. Here's some recent trade notifications. This was a big nugget win. You guys might have seen the blog post with that parabolic short and the market speculator trade reports. And if you want to do that, you can go into the swing trade alerts section here, sign up for the monthly plan, $99 a month, or the annual plan, which is 50% off, only $5.99 for the year. All right, guys, so I'll have another one of these up next Sunday, and I will also have some more free blog posts, so keep an eye out for that.